Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to change your Microsoft account name quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, log into your Microsoft account. Open your browser and head to the official Microsoft website. Once logged in, look for your info at the top menu. Click on it to proceed to your account settings. Next, find the option that says Edit Name to make changes to your current account name. Update your name as desired and click Save to finalize the changes. Remember, it should reflect your identity. That's it. Your Microsoft account name is now changed. Enjoy personalized experiences. Thanks for joining us. Remember, a personalized account makes navigating easier. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tech tips. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or need assistance. Stay tuned for more guides on using Microsoft services effectively. Until next time, enjoy a seamless digital experience. Goodbye and happy computing.